Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. We have real koi fish, and when I saw these koi statues, I thought that they would be the cutest to add into the decor of our beautiful outside area. They do not disappoint. These are from Wosuine, and these come in a set of 2. They are made of a beautiful resin material with a copper antique look. You can see that the attention to detail on these is incredible. Every detail of their fins, their eyes, even how the mouth looks exactly like real koi fish. They're really easy to set up. They are hollow inside, so you want to use care because it does come with very sturdy metal stakes. But once you put them in, they're attached to the fish and you are good to go. These look absolutely beautiful, and I love that I can have one facing one way, one facing another way. They're nice and sturdy. You can really tell that they'll be able to weather the elements thanks to that painted feature on the outside of the fish. The fish go beautifully with our outside area, really adding into the natural look. I approve of them, and I think my real koi fish do as well. And that's my point of view.